Good morning, world. It is day 2. You consider it day 2, yes. Day 1 was getting up here and setting up tent and having a fire and stuff. And now it's the day 2. I'm gonna go get some more firewood. We used all of it last night, the one that we forgot to grab in the first place. So I won't forget it this time. Okay, directors tell me to. Okay,
no,
I want to.
I'm waving you like come over here. Like I'm waving.
Oh, I misinterpreted all
this
that.
guy.
Oh, we have a daddy long leg.
It's probably the same one from last night.
Probably. We flicked several last night. So I'm gonna go. Anyways, I'm gonna go get some more wood so we can cook breakfast because we used it all yesterday. So. Good morning. Well, I'm whisking some eggs right now. Oh, yes. Cheers. Making some eggs right now, but there's only one special ingredient we're missing. You might think salt, pepper. No. Well, sure, yes, but what we're missing is some Miller Lite. A little bit more just for safety. Let's rearrange. It's gonna be some good eggs. Standing in Tahquamenon Falls right now. It's pretty refreshing, actually.
In the water on the way over here. Had valuables in my bag, was kind of worried. Everything's fine, just got a little wet, nothing's broken, so I'm just trying to relax right now.
Impressed with how these falls are. I mean, it's pretty cool. Nature is awesome, but nothing can beat how cool nature is when it does this. Like, how phenomenal and natural is that? All right, I'm not sure if I have to speak at an extra loud volume so you can hear me, but we're gonna dunk our heads in this. Oh, it's so strong. Oh, God. Oh, that was so powerful. Ah! Dude, that's so strong. I know. guys think we saw it all with the lower falls. Let me tell you, there's not just a lower, there is an upper. Let me show you. All right, as you can now I'm not sure if you can see it. Over there are some waterfalls. One waterfall. Man, I'm killing it. As you can see behind me in this section of my hand is the Upper Falls, one waterfall that is, I think 50 feet. It isn't 50. We don't know. It's higher than the lower falls. Alright, so we've made it to Whitefish Point. So we're out here by Lake Superior. Jacob's out there in the water. I think this is my first time to Lake Superior.
It was not.
So this is very cool. I had the drone going a little bit. Didn't see the sign where no drones were allowed. Oops. I did get a quick few shots, so that's nice. Let's touch the water right now and see how it is. Oh, baby. She is cold.
It's worth it. Get out here.
One thing I forgot to mention, actually, is all the way on the other side is Canada. How cool is that? We usually have Ontario by Detroit, or from, but this is a whole new perspective. Pretty cool stuff. So we just got back to the campsite. It's about 9 o'clock right now. Yeah, 9 o'clock right now. We've been gone for 9 hours. The lower falls, upper falls, Tahquamenon Falls, Tahquamenon National Park. And got some firewood. We're gonna do some burgers. And as always, it is time for a beer. I'm gonna look like an alcoholic by the end of this.